Hello guys, welcome to Zynq Ultrascale MPSoC Development. We are from Digitronics Nepal. So in this course we are introducing you the state-of-art FPGA technology for embedded processing, that is Zynq Ultrascale MPSoC, which is a 16 nanometer FinFET technology based MPSoC system on chip development environment. So we are having design tool of Vivado 2017.4 and some earlier version are also going to support this Zynq Ultrascale MPSoC environment, development environment, and we are going to target our design for Zynq Ultrascale MPSoC development board, that is ZSU102. So let's go to our section overview. We have first of all introduction of architecture, design tools, and different processing system configuration. Section first also have a basic IP overview lab session. Section 2 is basic embedded system design with Zynq Ultrascale MPSoC, where we have embedded system design methodology, configuration types, and we are going to write basic application, hello world application targeting ARM Cortex A53, that is application processing unit APU, and we are also going to write application for real-time processing unit, that is RPU, that is R5 ARM Cortex. So, and there is another session of building software for PS subsystem. PS subsystem consists of APU, RPU, GPU, and platform management unit. There are 4 different units on this Zynq Ultrascale MPSoC environment. So we have some application development with Beta Linux and Vivado SDK, and we're going to write some basic Linux images with Beta Linux. So section 4 is debugging with Vivado SDK, where we are going to have different debugging methodology for Ultrascale MPSoC development environment. Section 5 is building bootable application with boot sequence for SD, QSPI with JTAG and USB mode. So another session is system design with examples, where we are going to include some GPIO integration and other peripheral integration. Section 7 is product selection overview. So we are going to have product selection, Zynq Ultrascale MPSoC product selection, and device and family details, so we can select a specific product for our applications. So after completing this course, you will be able to know about Ultrascale MPSoC environment, architectures, design methodology with Vivado 2017.4, and embedded system design methodology for Zynq Ultrascale MPSoC, and you are going to write application for APU, GPU, graphic processing unit from ARM, that is ARM Mali graphics processing unit. Inside that Zynq Ultrascale MPSoC, and RPU, that is real-time processing unit, that is R5 processor, and that R5 processor is good for security based application, while APU is good for normal processor based computing, and GPU is good for graphic processing. So we are going to write some bootable applications, and you will know about product selection methodology after completing this course. So guys, sign up for the course, and we will have our detailed session in the course. Thank you for watching.